Don't tell Alice. Completely forgot to record. What I'm basically doing right now is boxing out our opening. So we need to bring the right side pillar. So let me give you a little show. This right side pillar needs to come out. Here we go. Right, this right side pillar here, it needs to pull out. So when we have our washing machine unit, it's flush with the pillar instead of sticking out. So we build it out, it's full stud, 63mm. So that is how far it's coming out. Unfortunately, we have to lose some of it, but that is what it is. And now, obviously to make the whole wall look right, you're gonna have to line the whole thing all the way along. So on the right here, where are we there? On the right here, I'm just gonna go up to here. It makes it a lot easier because we're gonna have a towel rail on this. So it's much easier to box that out, then all my pipes can come down and stick out. Thermostat's gonna go the other side of that wall, so I'm just gonna drill a hole, so there's no chasing required. That's so good. And on here we're gonna have sockets, so again, no chasing required, we just drop the cables down. So it's gonna make our life a lot easier.
So the slugs ate these two climbers and started to eat this one who's doing really well. So I've put this copper mesh around it to try and stop them from climbing, but I don't know if that's gonna work. Look, so sad. I was so proud of them. This one's completely gone. There's like a little bit, but not much. But this guy's still seemingly okay. Sad times. However, my hydrangea is doing great. Look at her. And so are these guys. This guy's got a bit of a kink in him, but my foxglove's doing really well. And I forget what this guy's called every time, but he seems to be doing well too. My grass, on the other hand, is doing nothing. I'm going to have to put some more topsoil on because there is nothing on top of that. Oh well.
Hello. Just done a few bits today. I didn't really record any of it because I didn't want to get Alice's camera all dirty and dusty because it's been, well, you can see how dusty it's been. I'll have a quick show what I've been doing. Okay, so finally finished all of the runs for the rads. So we have we're gonna have a stack of rad here, so that's the pipes there for that, ready to go. They're just in there loose until I find exact measurements. And then I tee off for that. And then we have a rad in the upstairs hallway. Bear with. Which is gonna be on that top wall there. We may not even use it. I just want it there just in case we're struggling to get heat in that area. There's gonna be a little rad there anyway. I've done my chasers for the rad in the main downstairs hallway. Let's chase those pipes in with my new chaser. I'm having fun with that. Done a little chase here. Little chase there for the light switch. Oh, I've got to do that one as well. Well, chase there, so socket. Chase there for a light switch for the main room and the little light in the lobby area. Chase there for that light switch is going to be a light switch for the main area again, and a light switch for our backlit niches in the media wall. So that's all been done today. I still got to do some more chasing, but we're going to socket down here, but that's in the partition that I built. There's going to be the thermostat here, but that's just going to be drilled through in here, so we can just drop a cable in here. Lovely and easy. I think that's about it for what I've done today. But it's just been very messy, so I just didn't want to have the camera going and getting messy. But I'm glad that these chasers have gone in, and all my pipes are in. Yeah. Tomorrow, hopefully, my friend Liam, who is an electrician, actually qualified electrician, is going to be coming in, and he's going to help me start up all my runs, have a chat through, make sure everything we've got is all right, because there's a lot to go through. But I'm so dusty. We're wearing a mask, not wearing goggles, so I probably should have. Yeah, my chaser. I know. This thing has a Hoover attachment, and then it's like got two blades, and you just go up. That's it. Yeah. So that's been fun. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow we get maybe some footage of us running some cables, but I've got to do more chasing. All of the upstairs chasing to do. Still some more chasing down here. But yeah. Oh my god. I need a wash. Goodbye. Yo, it's Sunday, and I've just finished another day's work at the house. Had my buddy Liam come down. He's an electrician who actually knows what he's doing, and he didn't want to be on camera, which is fair enough. So, so I'll just show you what we've been doing today. I've been having fun with my chaser still. I think that was already done, that one. But yeah, I've done a few more bits, loads of chasers in here, some extra chasers in here. They're ready to just be knocked out, but didn't want to make too much mess. All right, we have all our cabling for our downlights. Exciting stuff. We have our switches for our downlights. This is just switch cables for the downlights and for the outside light. That is the cabling for the outside light. We have cabling ready for our lights in our built out TV video wall. That's all the cables for the switches there. We slightly changed the plan for the switch here, so there's going to be a double switch here. One's going to be for the pendant for the table, and one's going to be for the lounge. So then you have a light switch for the lounge here, light switch for the lounge there, like every entrance to the lounge basically. I still need to do all the clipping, obviously. But all of our runs for the kitchen are done. Kind of worked out where our downlights are going roughly. Looks like a bit of a mess at the moment, but it has been all worked out properly. We have run the cables for in here, and that just goes past, but it's there ready for that. Yeah, I've kind of made a lot of noise. I don't know if you've seen the lights yet. We're going to use them in the garden, but they're temporary. So I've been doing our chasers for our back boxes. So that's going to be for television. There's also going to be an aerial and an Ethernet cable there. There's one there, there's one there, there's one there. Yeah. Not quite sure on exactly what we're going to do with that. Yeah, had all this out. Just take all the old cables and run the new ones. And I was mid doing this one when Liam came round. So this is really sick. So this bit, you basically drill out holes the depth of your back box, and then you just chisel out the rest, and you get a really clean backing for your back box, so it sits nice and cleanly. We're gonna have another socket that side, 2 sockets in that corner, 2 sockets in that corner. Yeah, but we're definitely starting to win now. So go down the stairs. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We have a visit on Wednesday from the gas people to try and hopefully sort out the gas. Alice is definitely going to be here. I'm going to try and be here because I want to have a chat with them, but we'll see. It still depends on work, really. think I went for everything. Liam's going to try and get back next week, and we're going to do all the upstairs lighting runs, and I'm going to try, if I get time in the week, to run some of the socket runs. All the kitchen stuff's going to be kind of, we're going to have a couple of runs, and then everything's going to run behind the units and stuff, so easy stuff. I'm not really good at this vlogging thing. I don't even know how to turn the camera.
Again. Good morning. I haven't filmed in a long time, in over a week. I don't think I've used this camera, but hello. I filmed stuff on my phone of me gardening, but I've pretty much done nothing with the house. Matt's done the electricity, or started to do it with our friend, as I'm sure he's shown you. But yeah, today I am here at the crack of dawn waiting for the gas man, because he's supposed to come and check our gas meter that's dodgy. He was supposed to come a week and a half ago and apparently did come, but we were here. Didn't hear a knock, but he left a note saying, sorry I missed you. So we rang and we had to rebook, and now here I am in silence, just in case I miss the knock. Yeah, so I'm probably going to clean. There's dust and rubble and stuff everywhere, so yeah, let's clean and wait for the gas man. He's made it safe. Cool. Now we just need to get a new boiler and get all that done, but we're not there yet. Other things to do. So yeah, today we're going to knock a wall down. Well, we already knocked half the wall down. That's the bathroom one, but the other half that's there it's just not stable. It's like wobbling. So we were like, look, it's probably gonna crack the plaster. It's not stable. It's not load bearing. So we're just gonna knock the rest of the wall down and yeah, build it with wood and plasterboard. So here we go. Delivery driver Alice is back. fun. Day 6 of watering the grass.
Oh. Make sure it spins. Back it out, let it spin.
Like that?
Take it easy. So
Let this keep it spinning.
Like that?
Yep. And then once it's working its way, your goggles.
Hello. So okay. Okay. That's awkward now. Okay. Man's walking his dog. Baby's getting in the car.
See all those tile marks of paint?
Hmm?
It's almost like tracked paint everywhere.
Oh yeah. Okay. Hello. We are doing electrics. Matt and our friend
Liam?
Liam are doing electrics. What did you do?
Finished the power for the light runs, and worked out where our lights are going. Well, mainly finished. There's still some bits that we need to do our end before we can run all the final light bits, but yeah, been in the attic scurrying around like ferrets, getting all the cables in.
And I came back after work and Matt gave me a drill. What's it called? What's the thing on the end? The zzz.
The hammer drill.
No, but
The box cutter.
yeah, the box cutter. So I did.
That box cutter.
box cutty holes things for the socket hole metal plate things to go in.
This is the most awkward, like, video.
Okay, I'll do it again then. Hello.
But yeah, we need to build partitions and stuff. And we have a massive hole.
That's not good.
Massive hole that we need to fix. Here.
Oh yeah, because I knocked that down yesterday.
Yeah.
And the camera died.
Did you record that?
I recorded part of it, but yeah.
You did it. It wasn't yesterday. It was Wednesday.
Oh, was it?
It was, yeah.
Thursday.
That was Wednesday.
Oh. Yeah.
I think it was Wednesday.
Oh, right. Oh, what day it is?
It might have been Thursday.
Thursday.
It may have, actually, I think it was Thursday.
Yeah, I knocked down the wall in the remaining wall in the bathroom on Thursday. And then Matt's now going to build a new wall where the old wall was, so that it's sturdy, because otherwise it was like.
Yeah, sure.
Oh my gosh.